Hello neighbors, Jim here, trapped in a trailer. Just got done talking to Andrew not long ago, and it's raining. He says, oh, it's gonna rain all day. Okay, hey, see the new barn over there, we'll focus on that a little bit. Close the back door of the trailer here, got the side door open. Yep, we tried to mow a little bit here as you see, and that's as far as we got. But yep, it's raining. Oh boy. Have a good one, neighbors. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell. Leave comments. Have a great one. You can hear it inside the barn. Yeah, in the barn. In the trailer, how it sounds. Great. Now it's gonna be more fun to mow. Being wet.